Hi, welcome to Realz product review, and today we are going to be looking at a vegan burrito. So I'm vegetarian, I'm not vegan, but I do like good vegetable burritos, and finding a frozen vegetable burrito that tastes delicious is hard for me. So sometimes, you just want quick and easy, you're in a rush, or you want something you can take with you to work, and you want a product that tastes delicious. So I was sent a coupon to go get a free item from this brand called Cool Beans, and I really like that name. They have a variety of flavors. I picked up the Moroccan Gold, and this has a plant-based wrap, gluten-free, so if you have gluten issues, gluten-free. This one's got red kidney beans, sweet potato, golden millet. I'm not quite sure what golden millet is. I think it's the grains that you kind of see inside of there. Find out when I'm eating it. Tomato and Moroccan seasoning. And so it's all plant-based. I picked this up at my local Sprouts. So if you have a Sprouts near you, you'll probably find that. In fact, Sprouts has a lot of vegan and vegetarian friendly options. So very excited to try an easy vegan plant-based burrito. And so let's read the instructions. It says, Cool Beans brings together mighty nutritious beans with global flavor to create clean, balanced eating that's good for you and your comma. Ooh, I like that. So inspired by outdoor spice markets, Moroccan Gold weaves a unique tapestry of bold flavors and distinct textures. Okay, so that's not the instructions. Aha! Here they are. So it says, keep frozen until ready to cook. Then heat. You have to remove the wrap. So obviously you're not going to want to cook it in this. It then says, wrap loosely in a moist paper towel. Microwave for 1:30 seconds, flip, and then microwave for another 1:30. So within 3 minutes, lunch could be served. So pretty easy. So I can't talk, so if you're kind of the person that gets a little gassy on beans, I've never tried this before, I can't tell you how gaseous it would make you. But take your Beano before you eat it if you're that kind of person. So it does look really delicious. I can't wait to try it. So I am going to heat this up. I am going to munch on it, and I'll let you know what I think. Hi, I'm back. So I just microwaved the burrito. This is what it looks like. Quick, easy. Let's give it a taste. Woo! Very hot. I probably should have given it a second before I try to bite into it. So I can definitely taste the Moroccan flavors. Super good, very tasty. I see the sweet potato. I don't know if you can see that in there. Getting it all over my fingers. Oh my goodness, that's hot. So that's what it looks like inside with the sweet potato, the beans, the delicious sauce. So really good. I'm not going to try and take another bite of this right now on the camera. I'm going to give it a couple seconds to cool down. Maybe if I blow on it. I don't know if that really works. You see parents doing that, but okay, let's give it another little bite. It's really good. I've never had a plant-based wrap before, so it's very tasty actually. I wonder how they make that. That's very good. The beans are good. The spice is good. It's not overly powerful like burrito or anything like that. It's got a very good blend of flavor. So if you're looking for flavorful, definitely has that. I'm not quite sure what Moroccan spice is, but it's delicious. So go ahead if you want to try it. Cool Beans. They do have other flavors. I'm curious to try those as well. So if you're looking for a quick, easy lunch at home or at work, you want a little Mexican burrito style, but not Mexican flavor. So this one's Moroccan flavor. Something different, something cool. Cool Beans burrito. Yay! I'm gonna go finish this up and have myself a beer, because why not, right?